All aboard is going aboard. Looks like we got a special delivery. Woo! What we have here? Oh my goodness. All aboard is going aboard. Hi everyone. Thanks for tuning into the special unboxing. I'm here with Pluto. Woo! Oh boy. Everyone, and thanks for joining us. Happy holidays to all of you. We have a special early Christmas present from our good friend Art By Neimad. So again, thank you to Neimad for sending this special present, and make sure everybody to check Art By Neimad out on Instagram. Okay, so I'll be dropping his link in the video description. And so let's get into it. Let's do some unboxing. Here we go, we got it. Thank you to Neimad for sending me this wonderful, oh my gosh, what? Wow. Oh, it's the first Art By Neimad we have today. Wow. Oh, Mickey and Pluto, guys, take a look. Wow. Oh my God. His work is so incredible. Wow. Let's get that out. Let's get that unboxed. Okay, I can't wait to get into it. Oh my gosh. So there are a couple actually. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, look at this. Thank you so much, Neem. And it means a lot. Pluto wants to take a look at it. Well, look at the colors and everything. I'll make sure to put some photographs on Instagram of these. But like I said, Neimad, check him out on Instagram. He's a wonderful supporter of the Disney streamer community, and so we're so thankful for Neimad's support of all of the streamers, and I really appreciate him supporting here on the channel. All aboard is going aboard. All aboard. With all of you guys, thank you for watching. Wow, look at this. We're gonna have to find some wonderful places around the house to display these really cool art style. It's amazing. Wow, look at that. You gonna give me some licks? Oh, good boy, Pluto. Pluto wants to be in the video. He's like, wow, look at Mickey. That's how I feel. You captured that, how when Pluto gives me licks, I'm like, oh my gosh, sometimes there's too many licks. Maybe never enough, right, Pluto? What do you think? Look at that. Wow, look at the wonderful colors. And what do you think, Pluto? Oh, Pluto likes the bubble wrap. And it says Pluto and Mickey, Art By Neimad. Art By Neimad on Instagram. 44. It was there. It's really cool spray logo he's got. Yeah, so check out Neimad on Instagram. Oh, it's got a little hanger thing. Thank you so much. This is so special. Look at that paint colors. It's got his little signature there. Wow, thank you so much. I wasn't expecting all this, man. Thank you. Wow. And guys, guess what? There's another one in here. Look at this one. Wow. Thank you so much for sending these to us. Look at this one. Look at this one, Pluto. Look, it's Pluto, Pluto. Look. Wow, it's Pluto. This is how I feel sometimes when I'm doing stuff with Christmas lights. Thankfully, this is a pre-lit tree. But yeah, the days of decorating. Wow, look at the glitter. What are the little rhinestones in there? Wow. Oh, I can't imagine how much time it takes to put this together and everything. All the details. I know that, as I say, the arts are under attack. So support your local artists. We've got the Festival of the Arts coming up here in January, so if you make it to Epcot. Right, let's get this one. Let's see the details on this one. Neimad and the crew, they all know that I love Pluto because, you know, I've got my little guy there, Pluto. We have another Doxy over here. You can film it out. Can you see Bruno? Bruno is right here. Bruno's a sleepy boy. He's a short hair. So he's a cold dog. So But, you know, sometimes we don't talk about love, you know, because he's a sleepy dog. That's Pluto's son, actually, Bruno there. So, again, happy holidays, everybody. Let's enjoy this one. And thank you again, Neimad. Wonderful job with the wrapping, and so a wonderful early Christmas present. And I'm gonna look for wonderful spots around the house. Maybe behind me here on the wall we can hang these up, and it'll add some nice holiday cheer to the house. Wow. Oh. Look at the little rhinestones. Is that what hopefully I'm not calling that wrong, but they're little jewels, and we can get a close up on that. Look at the little stonework that's inlaid on it. So, wow, I got a signature. I love the signature. The green. What do you think, Pluto? Yeah, you want to come look at it? Come on. Okay. Wow, touch it. Wow. Yeah, we'll have to find a good spot around the house here to take the, maybe place it back here. It says Christmas Pluto. He got a signature, his name, got a signature. Wow, that's a fun signature down there here. So yeah, Neimad is just a wonderful artist, great friend to the streamer community. We really appreciate Neimad for all he's been doing for everybody and supporting our channels. So again, thank you, Neimad, for sending these lovely pieces of art. What do you think? You think Neimad? Well, everybody should. Yes, that's right. Follow Neimad on Instagram. Right? Come here. Come here. Tell everybody you love the Neimad art. Thank you, Neimad. And like I said, we'll put some more pictures of the art up on Instagram. I'm sure. I think Neimad has a couple photos. But what do you think, Pluto? Say thank you, Neimad. Thank you. Appreciate it. Hi, everybody. Happy holidays. Oh, yeah, I think that's pretty awesome. We'll do another book out of here. You go. One. So that one. Like that. Look at this one. Well, two wonderful pieces of Pluto art for the house. All right, there's even more. I was looking in the box here, and there's a fun card. It's got Mickey's on it, and something in a bag here. Let's see what's going on with this. It looks like a shirt of some sort. Look at this. It's a Neimad shirt. What? He's got a merch. Neimad's got merch. Art by Neimad. Look, Pluto. Neimad's got merch. Art by Neimad. Woo! That's great. Reminds me of like Mike Wazowski there. With the green, but real fun. Look at that. So check out Neimad's merch he's got there. Thank you, Neimad. I'll be rocking that to the park. It'd be fun for the festival of the arts. Oh, look at this. Okay, it says here's a Neimad cards. Oh wow, he's got like a spray art there. See the spray art by Neimad. That's really fun. And it just says, Blake, Mr. Road Warrior, I hope you enjoy the art as much as I enjoyed making it. Keep up the great work. You're awesome. Your pal, Neimad. Thank you, Neimad. And happy holidays, everybody. And again, thanks, Neimad, for sending me some wonderful merch and your wonderful artwork. I really appreciate the support. It means a lot to be able to share the magic, and appreciate sending us the magic this way. And we look forward to be spreading the cheer and more adventures, more fun times at Disney. So again, thank you, Neimad. Happy holidays, everybody. Thanks for watching the video. All aboard those going aboard. Safe travels out there. Thanks again, Neimad. Really appreciate it. Go follow Neimad on Instagram. Art by Neimad on Instagram. Links in the video description. Bye. Happy holidays.